Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change your Facebook password if you have forgotten your existing password. So let's get started. So first thing, just come to the home interface of your Facebook app, and to the rightmost top you will be having the three lines icon. Just click that, and here if you just scroll down we will be having the settings and privacy option. Click that, and under settings and privacy click on settings, which is the first option. And here at the top we will be having the Meta Accounts Center. Click that, and under account settings we will be having the password and security. Select that, and we are having the change password under login and recovery. Select that, and just select the Facebook profile which you want to change the password. I'll just click mine. So here we will be getting a place to type our old password as well as the new password, but we don't know the old password. So for that we are having the forgotten your password thing, right? Click that. So I'll just click on this forgotten account, and here you need to enter the mobile or the email address that you have connected with your Facebook account. So just enter that over here and click on search, and we'll be getting the reset your password interface. Here check the option send code via email. So they will be sending a code to our email linked with your Facebook account. So we can just click on continue, and here we need to enter that code. After entering the code, just click on continue, and here we need to choose our new password. And after choosing a new password you can just click on continue, and we'll be getting log out of all the other devices if you have logged in other devices. If you want to review them you can do that. I will just click on stay logged in, that's fine. I will just click on continue, and that's it. Our Facebook password has been reset successfully. I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.